Introducing the premium EW835 washer and ED870 vented dryer set from Equator Appliances. This 110 volts laundry set comes with all the top features to ease your laundry routine. Select from sanitize, allergen, winterize, quick, eco, and more. Need to run an errand? The EW835 also lets you choose your start time. Prevent germ buildup with an antibacterial drum baffle and the self-clean wash option. Choose from a variety of drying cycles, including normal, sanitize, sensor dry, and more. Get fresh clothes every time with a wrinkle guard and refresh function. See clearly inside your ED870 dryer with its built-in LED lights. Also, use the special shoe cycle to safely dry your footwear. Its reversible door opens from both left and right sides for ultimate convenience. The washer measures 33.5 by 23.5 by 24.8 inches, and the dryer measures 33.5 by 23.6 by 25.2 inches. Have peace of mind with built-in diagnostics and a 1-year free warranty. Upgrade your laundry game with the Equator's Ultimate Washer and Dryer set today.